Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bacon sauce. Start by cutting about 8 ounces of your favorite bacon into small half-inch pieces. This helps it cook evenly and renders the fat more efficiently. Place the bacon in a cold skillet and cook it over medium heat until it's perfectly crispy. Once done, remove the bacon bits and set them aside for later. Make sure to reserve 2 tablespoons of that delicious rendered bacon fat right in the pan. This forms the flavorful base for our incredible sauce. Now let's build our sauce base. To the 2 tablespoons of reserved bacon fat in the pan, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Whisk these together continuously over medium heat for about 1 minute. This creates a roux, which will thicken our sauce and add a nutty flavor. Keep whisking until the mixture turns a light golden brown, indicating it's perfectly cooked and ready for the next step. It's time to add the liquids and bring our sauce to life. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk or cream, ensuring there are no lumps. Then stir in 1/4 cup of chicken broth for an extra layer of savory depth. Continue to whisk until the sauce begins to thicken. Finally, season it with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Let the sauce simmer gently for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken to your desired consistency. Remember, it will thicken a bit more as it cools. Once it's just right, stir in those delicious crispy bacon bits we set aside earlier. This adds texture and intensifies the bacon flavor. Serve your warm, homemade bacon sauce immediately over vegetables, potatoes, or anything that needs a boost of savory goodness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.